Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions about ancient civilization that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Nalanda University was a great center of learning, especially in A. Buddhism, B. Jainism, and C. Vaishnavism, and D. Tantra. The correct answer is Buddhism. Nalanda University was a major Buddhist monastery and center of learning from the 5th to 12th century AD. It was a significant place for Buddhist study and attract students from various regions. Nalanda University is located in present-day Bihar, India. Question number 2. India trade with Roman Empire came to an end with the invasion of Rome by A. Arabs, B. Hungarian, C. Hanaj, and D. Turkey. The correct answer is Hunaj. Roman trade with India started around the beginning of Common Era following the region of Augustus and his conquest of Egypt. The Hunaj invaded the Roman Empire under the Attila the Hun in 454 CE. Question number 3. The people of Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of A. Pucca bricks, B. Stone, C. Wood, and D. All of above. The correct answer is Pucca bricks. Okay. Indus Valley civilization, marked by its remarkable level of urbanization despite being a Bronze Age culture, is noted for its cities built of bricks, roadside drainage system, and a multi-story houses. The outside wall had no window. Each home had its own private drinking well and its own private bathroom. Question number 4. Which of the following materials was mainly used in the manufacture of Harappan seals? A. Copper, B. Iron, C. Bronze, and D. Terracotta. The correct answer is terracotta. Question number 5. After the fall of Rome, the eastern portion of the Roman Empire became known as A. Persian Empire, B. Byzantine Empire, C. Mongol Empire, and D. Gupta Empire. The correct answer is Byzantine Empire. The Byzantine Empire was the eastern continuation of the Roman Empire after the Western Roman Empire fall in 5th century CE. It lasted from the fall of Roman Empire until the Ottoman conquest in 1453. Question number 6. Which of the following modern countries was not part of the Byzantine Empire? A. Bulgaria, B. France, C. Egypt, and D. Germany. The correct answer is Egypt. Question number 7. What was the state language of the Eastern Roman Empire after the 7th century? A. Arabic, B. Greek, C. Latin, and D. Russian. The correct answer is Greek. The official language of Eastern Roman Empire, also known as Byzantine Empire, was Greek, while the Western Roman Empire official language was Latin. The empire was divided in the 3rd century AD, and the capital was moved from Rome to Constantinople in 330 AD. Question number 8. Who was the Chola king who bought Ganga from north to south? A. Raja Chola, B. Mahendra, C. Rajendra Chola, and D. Karnataka. The correct answer is Rajendra Chola. Rajendra Chola first extended the influence of the already vast Chola Empire up to the bank of the river Ganga in north and across the ocean. He defeated Mahipal, the Palaking of Bengal and Bihar, and the commemorate his victory he built a new capital called Ganga Konda Cholapuram. Question number 9. The first grammarian of the Sanskrit language was A. Kalhana, B. Maitreyi, C. Kalidas, and D. Panini. The correct answer is Panini. Panini was a Sanskrit grammarian from the Pushkalavati, Gandhara. He is known for his Sanskrit grammar, particularly for his formulation of 3,959 rules of Sanskrit morphology, syntax, and the semiotics in the grammar. Question number 10. The famous poet Kalidas lived in the court of A. Chandragupta I, B. Samudragupta, C. Chandragupta II, and D. Kumar Gupta. The correct answer is Chandragupta II. Kalidas was one of the 9 gems at the court of a king named Vikramaditya, generally identified with the great Gupta ruler Chandragupta II. Question number 11. Who composed the Allahabad pillar inscription? A. Harisena, B. Mahasena, C. Veersena, and D. Vishnu Sena. The correct answer is Harisena. The Allahabad pillar inscription or Allahabad Parasati is one of the most important epigraphic evidence of the imperial Guptas. It was composed by Harisena, the court poet and the minister of Samudragupta. Question number 12. Gandhara art is the combination of A. Indo-Roman, B. Indo-Greek, C. Indo-Islamic, and D. Indo-China. The correct answer is Indo-Greek. Gandhara art was a style of Buddhist visual art that developed from merge of Greek, Syrian, Persian, and Indian artistic influences during the first few centuries of Christian era. The foreign influence is evident from the sculpture of the Buddha, in which they bear resemblance of two Greek sculptures. Question number 13. Which one of the following is not a sect of Buddhism? A. Mahayana, B. Hinaya, C. Digambar, and D. Theravada. The correct answer is Digambar. Digambar sky-clad is one of the two main sects of Jainism, with the other being Sitambara. Generally, Digambar monks wear no clothes, whereas Sitambara white-clad monk usually wear white clothes. Question number 14. The Indus people knew the use of weight and measures, which is proved by the discovery of seal at A. Kalibangan, B. Harappa, C. Chenhundoro, and D. Lothal. The correct answer is Harappa. The people of the Indus Valley civilization achieved great accuracy in measuring length, mass, and time. They were among the first to develop a system of uniform weight and measures. Their smallest division, which is marked on an ivory scale found in Lothal, was approximately 1.7 mm, the smallest division ever recorded on a scale of the Bronze Age. Question number 15. Identify the Buddhist literature from the following. A. Tripitakas, B. Upanyas, C. Engage, and D. Aranyakans. The correct answer is Tripitakas. Tripitakas is a traditional term used by various Buddhist sects to describe their various canon of scriptures. As the name suggests, the Tripitaka traditionally contained the three baskets of the teachings: A. Sutra Pitaka, A. Vinaya Pitaka, and Abhinadham Pitaka. Tripitaka is the three main categories of the texts that make up the Buddhist canon. Question number 16. The capital of ancient Chola kingdom was A. Uraiyar, B. Kaveripu Pattinam, C. Thanjavur, and D. Madurai. The correct answer is Urayur. The early Cholas of pre and post Sangam period 300 BC and 200 CE were one of the three main kingdoms of ancient Tamil country. Urayur, now Tiruchirappalli, was the ancient capital of Chola dynasty. Question number 17. Which of the following Vedas provide the information about the civilization of early Vedic age? A. Rigved, B. Yajurved, and C. Atharvaved, and D. Samaved. The correct answer is Rigved. The Vedic period or Vedic age was a period in history during which the Vedas, the oldest scripture of Hinduism, were composed. The time span of the period is uncertain. Philological and linguistic evidence indicate that the Rig Veda, the oldest of the Vedas, was composed roughly between the 1700 and 1100 BC, the early Vedic period. Question number 18. Who was the greatest ruler of the Macedonia dynasty? A. Luxis IV, B. Darius I, C. Alexander, and D. Basil II. The correct answer is Alexander. Question number 19. The most important feature of the medieval European civilization was A. Nobility, B. Humanism, C. Chivalry, and D. Feudalism. The correct answer is feudalism. Feudalism was a system of legal, military, economic, political, and cultural customs in medieval Europe that structured society around the land ownerships and service. The system follows between 9th to 15th centuries. Question number 20. Mahavira was born in a Sastriya village by the name of A. Sakya, B. Janatrika, C. Malas, and D. Lichavis. The correct answer is Janatrika. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.